I got a spicy video for you, yeah? You're gonna like it, trust me. And look, I'm not gonna just give you a sneak preview. You gotta watch the video. You already got a thumbnail and title. Xbox and LED nonsense, alright? Let's cut to the hand cam. Bro, we got the extreme rate RGB LED kit for your Xbox Series X. They say it doesn't work for your S, but that's what we're gonna be finding out today, alright? Warning, don't need that. Don't need that. Wipes, okay. Instructions, controller, microfiber cloth, control board, pry bar, always use a pry bar, some stickers, not gonna need that, and a Torq screw. Here's everything. Let's open this up. Come on. Unravel this, there's our LEDs. We're gonna be tapping into the fan's power, and this is how we're gonna do it. We got a male adapter and a female adapter. You'll see once we open up the Xbox how this is gonna go. Here's the inside of the Xbox. You're gonna remove the green screws, the black screws, including the sides, then the silver screws. All right, let's speed that up. Ain't got no time for that. Ooh, I'm gonna change this color filter too. I know I'm taking off the silver, but you should take the black off first. And there's the last piece. Just gotta take out these last 4 screws and we gotta open it, I think. And here's the top part. So first things first, we gotta unplug the fan. Right here, we give it a little pull and it's out. That's the fan right there. If you're ever wondering what it looks like, you know, just taking a shower, you're like, I wonder what my Xbox Series S fan looks like. That's it for you. Give you a backside view. We're in uncharted territories. Here's what we gotta do. So we gotta get this control board glued, placed somewhere inside of this Xbox Series S internally. And as you can see, not much space, all right? And we also gotta find a spot to put these LEDs. By Extreme Rate's feedback and their superior knowledge, they say this cannot be done. So we'll see if we could do anything about that, yeah? Thought about right here. I don't think there's enough space. These are a little thick, so I think that's a no-go. Thought about right here. Seemed like a potential candidate, but see that? That's gonna be touching right there. And if it doesn't touch, it's gonna be too high and that's gonna hit the top part. So I think that's a no-go as well. I thought about right here too. Doesn't fit. See that? Almost, but almost don't cut it.
It don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile. Winning's winning.
So I think this is gonna have to be the spot right here. The only way if my Xbox explodes, I did it for science. I did it for the boys. Let's get it going. I'm gonna pop this open now. Oh, come on. Extra rips. Just make sure this is nice and fresh. But honestly, I don't think this is super necessary unless you have a pretty old Xbox Series S and you have a whole bunch of dust in here. These are the little sticky pads we're gonna be using. No. All right, stop. I played myself. Don't listen to what I just said. Don't use those stickers that they provide you, because guess what? They're gonna melt in the Xbox. I'm gonna tell you what to do right now. Back to the hand cam. Right there, put the E6000 or silicone instead. We're gonna attach this right here. Another possibility, we wrap it on the outside. I think that might be the move.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Haha, that's not it, family. I tried that. Didn't work. Here's how it looked. No siree, can't do that. Here's what I actually did. Here's the E6000 we're gonna use. And all I'm gonna be doing is just putting a little bit all around the fan to make sure that the LEDs are secure. What am I doing? Where am I? Oh, that's right, the piggyback. Okay, gonna attach the fan to the control board. Voila. Gotta attach this bad boy to the Xbox motherboard. I think we did it. I'd say 95% chance my Xbox explodes. I'll take 5% any day of the week. Just tuck those wires away. Looks like it's time to put this back together. Please don't let my Xbox explode. Please. Got scared for a second. Just wanted to make sure the fan can still be a fan. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. Now let's see how it turned out. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got for you, alright? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully I met your expectations of what you might get out of this. Hopefully you learned something and maybe you give it a try, or maybe it was just cool. You're gonna catch me with my cheeks in the sun. Who knows? Maybe that could be the next video. I'm gonna diversify the portfolio. So if you're interested in that, and I know you are, catch me on the next video, alright? I'm gonna see you guys. I'm gonna see you.